As you can see, the MacBook Pro, there's no software. So that's why we need to install the latest version. So I already created the latest version, Sonoma version. Here you can see the SSD, means the SanDisk. I just connect the through the USB. Okay, and now you have to download the OpenCore Legacy patcher. The latest one from you will get the GitHub, and after that you just install any MacBook. Then select the host name first, the settings, and the target model. You can select which model is your laptop. Okay, so in my case is MacBook Pro 14.3. Okay, you can see this. So just select that one, and here's the return. Okay, and after that you have to create the macOS installer. Okay, if you have already downloaded the OS DMG file in your MacBook, then select the second option, and otherwise you can choose the first one and download the latest one. And make sure the latest one it will support in your laptop also. Okay, because sometimes the RAM, the storage also it doesn't support. It will get glitching and very slow problem. So make it sure it will support or not. And in my case, I'm just going to install the Sonoma. So already I create the macOS installer file from the existing. So then I need to set up the OpenCore Legacy UFI file. Okay, EFI. So install disk and select that the SanDisk, which one is your SanDisk. So in my case, is the 32 GB. Okay, the EFI file. Okay, so just installing this. After complete the process, then just restart, and we can remove the pen drive from the laptop. So let it finish. Okay, now the pop-up has come. The everything has finished. Okay, fine. Okay, just close it. Okay. Now no need the laptop right now, so we'll just open the MacBook Pro, which one we need to install. And we have already created the file in my SanDisk 32 GB. Okay, let me connect it. Okay, I just connect the SanDisk 32 GB in my MacBook Pro, which one I had to install the latest OS, and just power on and press the option key. Okay, then it will be boot to the boot menu. Let's see, option key. Okay, it will come like this. Okay, and here I'm going to select the EFI boot, just the one. Okay, next, and here you can see the install macOS Sonoma. It will automatic selected. So let me finish that.